Let's establish what BCI technology actually is at this moment, because public discourse tends to oscillate between dismissing it as speculative and catastrophizing it as the beginning of a surveillance dystopia. The current reality is more nuanced than either position. Brain-computer interfaces, in their most clinically relevant current form, are devices that read neural signals, either from the surface of the brain or from electrodes implanted within it, and either translate those signals into external actions or deliver corrective electrical stimulation in response to detected neural patterns. The therapeutic applications are already real and already helping people. Deep brain stimulation for Parkinson's disease is perhaps the most established example. A DBS device that delivers targeted electrical pulses to disrupt the tremor-generating neural circuits has given some patients decades of dramatically improved function. Closed-loop DBS, which detects the neural signature preceding a tremor and delivers a corrective pulse before the tremor manifests, represents the next generation, a device that is not merely stimulating but responding. Neuralink's first human implant, in a patient with ALS, demonstrated the ability to control a computer cursor through neural intention alone, bidirectionally communicating with the cortex in real time. The therapeutic pathway for psychiatric disease is where this becomes both most promising and most philosophically challenging. Research in treatment-resistant depression has produced early trial results suggesting that a closed-loop device capable of detecting the neural signature of a depressive episode and delivering corrective stimulation could provide relief that no pharmaceutical has achieved. Similar approaches are being explored for OCD, chronic pain, and addiction, all conceptualized as circuit disorders, patterns of pathological neural firing that could, in principle, be interrupted. Here is where the analysis must slow down and ask harder questions. There is a meaningful philosophical distinction between treating a broken circuit and modifying a personality. Depression involves real neural patterns, but it is also an experience, a mode of being in the world, that is deeply integrated into identity. When a device can modulate mood states in real time, questions about autonomy, authenticity, and consent become urgent. Who controls the parameters? Who decides what the correct emotional state is? What happens when a device is hacked or discontinued by its manufacturer or simply runs out of battery while a patient is far from medical care? These are not reasons to halt the technology. The suffering that treatment-resistant depression inflicts is profound, and if electrical modulation can genuinely interrupt it, the moral imperative to develop this treatment is strong. But the governance frameworks for device security, patient control over parameters, manufacturer obligations, and long-term support need to be developed now, not after these devices are widely deployed. The therapeutic promise is significant. The warnings are equally real.